Special counsel Jack Smith and his team have asked a federal judge in Washington, D.C., to issue a narrowly tailored order restricting former President Donald Trump from making public statements that they argue could cause serious and significant harm to the 2020 federal election interference case. In an extraordinary filing released Friday, Smith's office accused Trump of participating in a sweeping disinformation and harassment campaign aimed at intimidating witnesses, prosecutors and others involved in the investigation he was facing. Like previous public disinformation campaign regarding 2020 presidential election, defendants' recent extrajudicial statements are intended to undermine public confidence in an institution, the judicial system, and to undermine intimidate confidence in individuals, the court and jury pool, witnesses, prosecutors. Filing says, Trump has pleaded not guilty accusations that he undertook a criminal scheme overturn results 2020 by commissioning a list so-called fake voters, using Justice Department conduct sham crime investigations, task Vice President, change results, and promote false claims that was stolen as January 6 insurrection raged. All this is done with aim destroying democracy staying in power. They say the order they are proposing to District Judge Tanya Chutkan would be a narrow and well-defined restriction that would prohibit Trump from making statements regarding the identity, testimony, credibility of potential witnesses, and about any party, witness, insulting, provocative, or intimidating attorneys, court personnel, potential jurors. Prosecutors say the order does not prohibit Trump from quoting or referencing public court records or professing his innocence. But if implemented by Judge Chutkan, such an order would likely lead to a high-stakes legal battle with Trump, now the frontrunner in the 2024 Republican presidential primaries, expected to claim his First Amendment rights were violated. Responding Smith's request, Trump campaign spokesman Steven Cheung said the Justice Department continues to corruptly and cynically seek deprive President Trump of his First Amendment rights. The American people, voters, are seeing the true face of this unconstitutional charade, and they will send President Trump back to White House, he said. In its filing, the Special Prosecutor's Office cites numerous public statements and Truth Social posts Trump has made in the months since his indictment, which it alleges contain deliberate falsehoods aimed at angering Trump's supporters. The defendant knows that when he publicly attacks individuals and institutions, he inspires others to use threats and harassment against his targets, they write. The defendant continues these attacks on individuals because he knows that by doing so he can anger the public and mobilize his supporters. They specifically point to Trump's personal attacks on Judge Chutkan, including posts in which he called high